New Gearwrench rip? What's going on here?
I just told him don't curse.
Hey, can I give me a Gearwrench shirt too? What's going on? All right, so who we got going on here? I'm sorry, I passed you right up. I'm Justin. What's going on, man?
I'm Noah.
Noah? What's up?
Noah's the newest addition to Scott Family Tools. Well,
Ah.
it's not really new addition.
You're
He's 24 years old, so.
Recently adopted.
Yeah, I know. It sounds like you really did adopt it. This is Noah spawned from my loins many years ago.
Oh.
It's actual blood. So he's gonna.
What happens in Vegas doesn't necessarily stay in Vegas anymore, huh?
No, it's just cabins.
I moved home. I moved.
Cabins on our back.
Oh yeah, baby. Woo! Yeah. Slick
So-
is sexy.
We picked up the other tool truck. It's at home.
Cool.
Picked it up on 4th of July. And the plan is keep peeling stickers little by little. You know, with it being hotter than hell outside, the stickers are coming off all right, but they're still taking a while to get off.
Okay.
So we started stocking the truck. We've got, I don't know, 3 or 4 shells that are fully stocked and a lot more shells to go.
Okay.
So I just told Noah, like, buying for 2 trucks with the income of 1 truck, we got to slow down a little bit.
We get it handled though, right?
Yeah, absolutely. It's just bringing things, cutting back a little bit. I went apeshit crazy and buying a bunch of stuff. Like, yeah, I'll get 2 of these and 2 of these and 2 of these. And next thing I know, I'm like, what do you mean? Like, dude, you mean credit card bills $13,000? Like, that doesn't seem right. So,
wait a tick.
I'm like, hold on. So, yeah, it's super exciting, man. I mean, it's really cool. We got 2 carts on the truck already.
Yeah, I've seen that. This is kind of like a newer style with the angle, huh?
Yeah, so
It almost kind of reminds me of the old Matco toolbox that I
you
had.
know what it looks like is if you look at Mac tools and the new Matco Revel, I guess it is.
Yeah, the Revel.
Yeah, or Revel. Yeah. So
Whatever.
the old Mac boxes were like this where they cut the edges off.
Mm-hmm.
So there's probably a patent that came up. So Monster did one like this. But we ordered this cart, that cart for the truck, 2 smaller carts for Noah's truck, and then we'll see about getting another couple of carts and maybe a toolbox.
Rock and roll, my man. Say, you got that bacon jerky for me?
On order, shipped, but not here yet.
Okay, cool. And then we got those, was it Platinum Tech, the 3/8 ones I ordered, right?
Correct.
Okay.
And I just ordered another one that they have, one you could connect multiple length handles to. So I ordered one of those. So between those 3 or 4 that I've ordered, we should get a pretty good idea on the quality of them. You know, they look nice, and I don't know if I'd mentioned, I got to feel and hold them and use them a little bit at the tool show in October, but I'm one where, I don't know, I'm kind of biased, and I don't like doing new stuff unless I know a rebuild kit's going to be easily or readily available. If they are, great, not a problem. If it's like, oh, well, send a ratchet in, or, oh, send it in for credits, then that's where it'll be kind of like, because send an entire ratchet in for credit, they're only going to do that so long before they start going, oh, well, you got to rebuild this kit or penny pinch. So that'll tell whether they're really good ratchets or not. So,
Okay, so that's actually a pretty good point when it comes down to warranty. Is there a telephone number in order to get a hold of, like, whoever makes Platinum Tech, or if that's the company itself? Is there a telephone number to get a hold of them, say if they bought one from you off IG? And it gets out to there, then they gotta, hey, what's up, Platinum Tech? Gear broke.
So at this point, no. Platinum is Medco, which is a wholesale distributor. That's their house brand. Platinum ATD. ISN's house brand, Monster. So as of now, no. You'd have to contact Medco Tools and then see if Medco Tools had a specialist that could get it. So it'd be a huge pain in the ass for the end user to do it. That's where a couple guys that have been buying, there's been a couple guys buying steady from Instagram. So a guy out of LA, Ricardo, a guy Moses that's up in San Jose. There was a kid, I believe, Brandon, that was out in Tennessee. So a couple guys buying things here and there. That my hope is if they bought like a Gearwrench ratchet. So it's cost effective enough that a guy spends some money with me, he's buying stuff on a regular basis, he breaks it, I can send him a rebuild kit, it's not going to break my bank. With stuff like that, what I try to do is get one, ship it out to them with the return shipping so that they can just send it back to me and I can credit it. So it's kind of one on me where, again, being biased as to what I want to sell, especially if it's something that's being shipped out of state or out of town, so I'm not going to be able to service them on a regular basis.
So interesting thing, if you guys haven't already seen Koon from Koon Trucking. He just did a video talking about how Milwaukee will no longer warranty or honor the warranty agreement of their products if you purchase them from Amazon. Jeff, have you heard about this as well?
Yeah, I did see an email about it, and the other thing that I saw down in the low desert was lots of guys that are like, yo, I picked up 2 6-amp-hour batteries, I picked up this bit drive, I picked up this. It's a lot of theft, probably coming from Home Depot. It's backdoor stuff. So Milwaukee's requiring me to send in a proof of purchase with every single thing. It used to say either or, that I could send it in if I had the serial number or if I had a proof of purchase. Now for me as a dealer, they're requiring me to send in both. The last couple of times I've sent things in by serial number, they've denied warranty, and I've had to contact them and then send an email with a proof of purchase.
But I mean, it's Amazon, so I mean, you're going to have a paper trail, there's going to be proof of purchase. They still won't do it. They're a third-party seller.
So
that was my catch behind it.
The only thing that I would say on that for the end user, again, trying to do it, is if they had a receipt, they could use their serial number and a copy of the receipt, maybe trimming off that top that shows it's Amazon. I don't know how the Amazon receipts will look on it, and then send it in. Milwaukee has e-service, so anybody that owns a Milwaukee product can use the e-service. It doesn't have to be a dealer. So you bought some Milwaukee from Home Depot that you saw because it was such a killer deal, I couldn't match it.
Right.
Okay, well, I can't provide you a proof of purchase, but you have your original Home Depot. So I know that's not Amazon, but just as an example.
Gotcha.
So the e-service is user-friendly, and that's the only thing I can say if somebody did buy it from Amazon. But I think they're trying to cut back, even for us. June 30th hit, and all these free battery deals, and this free and that free, kind of went away. So there is stuff coming out for third quarter promotions, but it's not what it has been in the past years.
I got you.
So,
right on, Jeff. Guys, thank you, Jeff. Thank you, Noah. We appreciate you guys taking your time out to answer some of our questions. We'll be right back. I'm going to see you guys back in the garage for some more beer and bullshit about this topic specifically, because I did reach out to Sunix, Gearwrench, Tecton, Capri Tools, and a handful of others to let you guys know whether or not they're going to do anything about the warranty when it comes to purchasing from third-party sellers like Amazon. See you back at the house.
Hey, what's going on, everyone? Justin again, as always. Thanks for watching my channel. Welcome back. Cool Tool Tuesday's over with. Getting ready to step right on into Hump Day. You can see in the background, I've got my buddy Clay Koon, aka Koon Trucking, in the background. He just got done doing a video on Monday, and he kind of raised this awareness up with the tool community and myself as far as what tool companies we're actually going to stand behind their product, even through third-party sellers. Now, Jeff is a third-party seller, and he just went through all the ins and outs of what was relayed to him via Milwaukee about needing the serial number, the proof of purchase or concurrent receipt, some kind of receipt behind it, right? Plus a serial number before they'll even warranty anything out. However, Milwaukee did say that they weren't going to warranty anything out that ended up being purchased from Amazon, as per Joe from All Star Tools. That doesn't mean every third-party seller. That just specifically means from Amazon. So Milwaukee's not going to back their product that are sold on Amazon. So that kind of might throw a little bit of an extra pebble in your shoe, if you know what I mean. When you're walking about, you know how annoying that can get. But just how annoying can it be? What other tool companies are doing the same thing from the tools that we've recently purchased from Amazon or the ones that we usually purchase from Amazon? I dug a little deeper this morning. This morning I contacted Lang Tools, Gearwrench, Capri Tools, OTC, Tecton, and Sunix. And this is what they had to say. Milwaukee, no answer, waiting for a call back. Capri Tools didn't seem to have an issue with it. You just go ahead and reach out to them. They're going to go ahead and take care of you. Gearwrench said the same exact thing. They don't have a problem with you purchasing tools from Amazon. Just reach out and they'll go ahead and take care of you, for the exception of their digital torque wrench, in which case they would like to have proof of purchase. So you'll need to show them some kind of Amazon receipt for proof of purchase before they will do that. OTC said if it looked like it was mistreated, they can make the overall decision of whether or not they choose to warranty it out. But that doesn't mean that they're not going to warranty it, because usually they're pretty good about warrantying it. When it comes down to new or used purchasing off of Amazon, they said that that's when they're going to want a proof of receipt, because when it comes to new lifetime guaranteed tools, so long as you have proof of receipt and serial number, they're going to take care of you, even if it's done on Amazon. If it's a used tool, even if you have proof of receipt, if it looks like you bought it and it was beat up before you ended up sending it in for warranty, they're going to have to make a call. Okay, it's kind of like going back to the if it looks mistreated kind of a thing, right? So if you bought it off eBay, looks mistreated, they're not going to, and you bought it used, they're not going to take care of it. If you bought it on Amazon and you bought it used and it came to you and it looked like it was mistreated, they're probably not going to warranty it. But new tools, no problem. They don't have an issue with that. Again, show proof of receipt. When it comes to their code readers, because OTC does sell scan tools, 100% limited warranty, so it's only good for about a year or two. Show proof of receipt through your Amazon store where you purchased it and have your receipt for that, plus a serial number. They're going to take care of you under that limited warranty platform. Tekton, they said doesn't bother them at all if you bought it from Amazon. Just go ahead and go to the tool help forum, give the part number, send a photo. They're going to send you out the new product and take care of you. Sunex Tools. Sunex Tools didn't have any issue when it came to third-party purchasing. They said they deal with other third-party sellers as well, like Summit, eBay, etc. If you buy their tool and their product and it has failed, they will go ahead and take care of it the same exact way that Tekton has, which is basically take a picture, write down the serial number, they'll go ahead and they'll send you another one, you just email them. That's it in a nutshell. Those are the tools that I most commonly would purchase from Amazon, and those are the tool responses from those manufacturer customer service representatives. Unfortunately, I was not able to get a hold of Milwaukee to find out just how long this warranty issue is going to be put in place for. If it's a recent thing, how long or how in depth are they going to go? Like if I bought a Milwaukee cordless tool from Amazon, such as that cutoff blade that we purchased for welding projects, if they're not going to warranty that out, well, you know what? I did save a few bucks and it was broke, so now I can't get it fixed. That kind of sucks. You kind of eat it on that. I think it's really crappy that they're not willing to back all their products. Maybe that has something to do with the fact that some of these companies that are made over in China or some other location are making copycats or duplicates, and maybe that's their whole reasoning behind not wanting to back certain products sold from Amazon, because there are too many duplicates or copycats basically of the tool being sold. Those batteries would be a prime example. However, they did not put the Milwaukee name on the side. They put their own name on the side, and there go. I can understand. I'm not going to exactly send that tool into Milwaukee to get it warranted. Somebody did state in a previous video that if you use those batteries on Milwaukee tools and the Milwaukee tool fails, that Milwaukee would not warranty it. And I had a handful of comments saying, yeah, but how would they know? So I think in order to take out that unknown piece of information, them just not covering it completely is probably going to reduce the amount of warranties that they get in. That's just my idea. I hope you guys found this video to be entertaining and informative, to say the least. Thanks as always for watching. Cheers to those of you that have your beers. We'll see you next time. Deuces.